Assalamu alaikum, this is Zain Ansari and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we came in Maulana College. I will show you that our beautiful college. This is from inside and now we have reached here. This is the entry gate of this college. When you will come here, you will have to take the entry from here. You can see that how amazing it is looking at this time. And now we are about to go close and this is the parking of outside. And now we are coming inside this college. We are about to take the entry. There are two colleges. First is Abdul Sami College and second is Maulana Muhammad Ali Zohar. In Abdul Sami College, you can study about law and you can see there that if you want to become a lawyer, so you can come here. There are 5-year course and after graduation it is of 3 years. Now I'll show you from inside Abdul Sami College. This is famous from the name of Law College. Now we have taken the entry in Abdul Sami College. I'll try to show you that from the inside this college, the view of this college from the inside. And you can see that there are classes of this college and there are many classes. Now you can see this college from inside, like there are classes. The classes of LLB. There are some chairs and classes. And now I'm about to show you, like you can play here, like if you want to play some games. And now this is the gallery of this college. We are about to come here. You can see the gallery of this college. If you want to park your bike, so you can park here. There are some bike you can see. And now we are about to enter in Maulana Muhammad Ali Zohar College. Still it is Abdul Sami College is going on and there is a canteen near it. But now you can see the building, how beautiful it is from away we are looking at this time. But as far as I know that this college is really famous, and when you will go close to it, so this building will looking you totally marvelous. There are some trees. Because of these trees and because of this greenness, the college really looking amazing. And the canteen is here. You can see the canteen is here. And now we are coming close to it. There are some people, they are taking selfie. I think we should not disturb them. Now you are looking that we are coming close to the building. And how amazing this building is, you can see. This is the front of this college. And they are parking for the lecturers. You can, if you are coming from the car, so you can come here. And there are some bikes also which is standing, and these are the bikes of lecturers. This is the board of this college, you can see. And now I'm about to show you the ground of this college, and after that I'll show you from the inside that how amazing it is. This is the ground of this college. Many students come here to play cricket and they always enjoy it, and it's really a big ground. You can see that how big it is. This is really very big. And at this time there is no, as far as I know, it is not like a ground because so much grass we can see here. Entry gate from here, and now we are taking the entry. Now I'm showing you about Maulana Muhammad Ali Zohar College. This is the classes of BA. If you want to take admission, you can come here, and this is the classes of BA. You can see from the inside the classes of Maulana Muhammad Ali Zohar. And now again we are here. This is the room of principal, and this is the gallery of here. This is the gallery front of classes, and there is a staff room where the always lecturers sit. And now this college is we are about to finish it. And I think we will have to go upstairs. There are some classes of MCOM. Now there is the class of Home Science, and this is the library. This is the library of here. And now I will show you the full view of this college from here. You can see from the inside Maulana Muhammad Ali Zohar how amazing it is. And there are some classes more. I would like to show you those classes. And And these are the classes of BSc, MA and MA Economics. You can see the classes from here. This is the classes of MA Economics. And this is the last of this college where the PhD student we can also find. There are the classes of BSc also. Now there are some classes, and the classes are here also. And now we will go on terrace of this college. And now if you want to perform namaz and you have been late, so you can perform namaz here. We have came on the terrace of this college, and there are some classes, MSc chemistry, and here I think, as far as I know, at this time classes are not going on, and that's why we came here to make a vlog, and we are making it. Now we are on the terrace of this college. There are classes of MCom and MA and BCom. now we are coming downstairs. Now our video is about to complete, and it was a really amazing vlog for us. We were making the video here, and now you can see the view from the inside the college of outside.
Thanks for watching, and you can come for admission.
Thank you guys. We have made the video on Maulana Muhammad Ali Zuhur College. You can watch it, and you can take admission. At this time the admission is going on. If you have done 12th class and if you want to take admission, you can take. And if you like this video, please subscribe, because we were making video for you. Just remember us in your application. Assalamu alaikum.